Hello friends, this is Sir Benard MTC on YouTube channel and TikTok, Sir Benard MTC. So today we are going to study mathematics. This is primary 7 questions. This is the expectation questions. So today we are going to work. I have here 3 questions. Number 1 is how many 1 out of 4 liters can be filled from a 20-liter jerrycan? Number 2, the mean age of 3 children is 13 years. The total age of 2 of the children is 25 years. Find the age of the third child. Number 3, change the 213 base 5 to decimal base. What are the next numbers in the sequence below? 1, 4, 9, dash. This is the question we are going to solve today. I'm here, I'm going to solve everything. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok. Because on TikTok also we are there. So let's start without wasting the time. We're going to start with number 1. How many 1 out of 4 liters can be filled from a jerrycan of 20 liters? How many? These are quarter liters. So here this question is simple. They're asking how many quarter liters are there in 20 liters. That is it. You start here, solution number 1. First off, we're going to 1 liter. How many quarters are there in 1 liter? After getting that one, this is simple question. You're going to get the answer as simple. 1 liter, half, 4, because 1 liter you have 2 halves. Then 1 liter, half, 4 halves, 4 quarters. 4 into 1 out of 4 liters. So you have 4 quarters of liter. 4 quarter liters in 1 liters. So 1 liter is equal to 4 quarters. So which means 4 quarters is, when you get 4 quarters, that is 1 liter. What about 20 liters? 20 times is equal to 1 out of 4. Here, out of 1. Multiply this a quarter and 20. Here cross multiplication like this. Here also cross multiplication. So this one times this one, 4 times 20. Get 1 is equal to 20 times 4. That is 80. This is therefore 80 quarters of liters. So therefore 20 liters is equal to 80 quarters liters. As simple as that. So from today when they ask you how many quarters are there in 20 liters, you know there are 80s. But when in a house there are 40s. That is it, as simple as that. Let's move to number 2. Number 2, they are saying the mean age of 3 children. Mean age of 3 children is 13. 3 children mean, not the total, but mean. You know mean. You add the total and you divide the number of the children. So here, which means when you add 3 children, the total number of 3 children, and you divide it by 3, you're going to get 13. So the meaning that the mean age of 3 children is 13 years. So the total age of 2 of the children is 25. So they have given us here the total age of 2 children. They are 25. Find the age of the third child. So how do you get the age of the year of the third child? This is simple also. Let's move this side, move this side to get my place. Number 2, solution. Here, 25, this is the total age total year of 2 children, they are 25. So what we are going to do here, we are going to let the age of third child be any letter, be X. Then you come here, remember the total of two children is 25 years. So you're going to get this total of 2 children plus X of third child. So you're going to get 25 plus X out of there are 3 children. That's the total number of children. There are 3. Out of 3 is equal to mean. Where the mean is 13. This is the formula we are going to use. If you don't understand, you send your comment. You send me a message in the comment. Comment there and I see if you are not getting me. I'll explain more. So you're going to get here. We're going to multiply both sides by 3. By 3. Cancel this one and this one. We remain 2, 5, 25 plus X is equal to 13 times 3. We get 39. Here, what do you do here? You're going to collect like terms together. Remember the X. You're going to take this 25 to this side. When this is a positive, when you cross this equal sign, it becomes a negative. So X is equal to 39 minus 25. Oh, I want to show you how do you reach this stage. You're going to do like 25 minus 25 plus X is equal to 39 minus 25. We cancel this one. 25 minus 25, we get 0. We remain X is equal to 39 minus 25, we get 14. We get 14. Therefore, we come here. Therefore, the age of third child is 14 years. Is 14 years. As simple as that. That's how we solve the age of third child. We know you have the mean. Mean means you add all the total number out of the number of the children. The total age of the number out of the number of the children. So here it is the total number of the age out of number of children, which is 3. There are 3 children. So, but we don't know the age of. So you're going to let the age of the third child to be X or any letter, any KS like that. As simple as that. Let's move to the number 3. This is the last number. Change 213 base 5 to decimal base. All of us, you know this number. If you don't know, let us show you how to make. What's the meaning of decimal base? This P5 work. This primary 5 work question. Let's move this now. Let's move this and we get them more place. Right. Number 3. Change 213 base 5 to decimal base. Decimal. How do you do this? Decimal. What's the meaning of decimal base? Decimal base means base 10. If you see decimal base, that meaning base 10. Base 10. So you're going to change this to base 10. This is in base 5. So you're going to change this to base 10. Decimal base means base 10. As simple as that. Let's move to our question now. How do you change base 5 to base 10? Here you're going to multiply by the base. You multiply each number here by the base. Then you put the exponent up. You get 2 times 5 plus 1 times 5, which is the base, plus 3 times 5. I said 5 is the base. You have to multiply it with the base. When I change it to the decimal base or to base 10, you have to multiply with the base. If it is base 2, base 5, base 6, base 3, you multiply by the base here with this number. Each number with the base. So you start from powering this side, left side, right hand side, coming to left. 0, 1, 2. So you start with the 2 power 2, you get here 5 times 5, you get 5 plus 5 plus the number power is 1. 3 times 1, you get 3. Or you can do 3 times 1. Here come 50 plus 5 plus, that is 8, therefore is equal to 58 base 10. Therefore 2, 1, 3 base 5 equal to 5, 8 base 10. I said base 10 means decimal base. So anyway, next time when you see when they ask you decimal base, they know that meaning base 10. As simple as that. That's how you solve. Mathematics is very easy, but you complain math is difficult. How comes math difficult? Math, there's no framework in mathematics. Just know the formula and the method. Math coming easy for you. Mathematics. So you're moving the last number here, where they said, what are the next two numbers in the sequence below? This is very easy. Even if this number you can see this, you start from here. I think let us do like this. Here, you don't rub off this number this side. That's usually here. What you do here, come here like this and you do plus 3. How did they add here? You add plus, when you add 3 plus 1 plus 3, you get 4. So which number do you add to 4 and you get 9? This is plus 5. When you add 4 plus 5, you get 9. You come here. So you see here, what is the here to get this number here, check here the intervals. What's the intervals between 3 and 5? It is 2. So also if it is 2 here, also here put plus 5 plus 7. You make the interval of 2 is plus 7. Plus 7, 9 plus 7 you get 16. We are going with the interval of 2. Here 2, 2. So here also you're going to make interval of 2. When interval of 2 here is going to be 9 plus 9. So 16 plus 9 you get 25. As simple as that. Those are the missing sequence in this number here. What you note here, the intervals here to move to get this next numbers here. Here you get 16 and 25. As simple as that. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Sir Benard MTC on YouTube channel and TikTok. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, share with your friend that Sir Benard MTC is here to help you mathematics. If you feel it's difficult, call me, my number is there. I'll help you for free. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.